Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Pratiksha Makur, and today I am going to speak few lines on Independence Day. Independence Day is most important day in the history of India. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Every year, great joy. On this day, in 1947, India became free for the basics rule. It is our national festival and a national holiday. The Prime Minister of On this day, the Prime Minister of India honors the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi. The Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force complete the parade at Red Fort. In every state, the Chief Minister honors the flag. On this day, the peoples remember sacrifices our great freedom fighter. In school and colleges, many cultures activities like dance, music, etc. and organizing are sweets and craft. I love my country very much, and I am proud to be Indian. Thank you. Jai Hind.